What's up, guys? Motorola is launching a new Moto G54 5G smartphone. The Motorola G54 will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7020 thick nanometer. The Motorola G54 has got a powerful battery that will be fueled with a non-removable 6000 mAh that will carry support for fast charging and has got a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor. The new Motorola G54 going to a 6.5 inches screen size, which is a big screen display with an IPS LCD touch screen. And this device has a full HD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and refresh rate is 120 Hz. The smartphone is packing with 8 and 12 GB of RAM, and smartphone has got 128 and 256 GB of storage, which means that the capacity of your data is unlimited. On the back of the smartphone, there is a dual camera setup. The main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide. The front facing camera in this phone will be 16 megapixel to make taking selfie more easy and attractive. The side mounted sensor will allow to protect its data. The colors will be midnight blue, pearl blue, mint green. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.